Good morning and welcome to StockStarters.com. Today is August 6, 2020. This morning we received better than expected economic data. We were expecting 1.42 million of unemployment claims to be filed. However, 1.19 million was filed instead. So the loss that the Invesco QQQ was experiencing this morning has been reduced. So at pre-market and before opening bell, we are down 25 cents from the previous close. Yesterday, on the daily chart, we finished the day with a doji. There was a lot of indecision, and you can see this indecision on the 30-minute chart. At the opening bell, the market moved up, then it pulled back. Later, at about 12 o'clock, it tried to retrace to form a new high, but it failed, so it rolled over. And within the last 10 minutes of the trading day, it retraced upward, thus forming the doji. This morning, join us to see whether or not the QQQs will continue to move upward, or if the economic data is going to impact the stock and the stock moves below the low of 269.96. I am watching the stock cautiously because there's a gap that occurred between July 31st and August 3rd, and this stock is known for closing the gap after a few days. Now, also, if you do not have time to be an active trader, you can join Stock Starters and learn how to swing trade successfully. We will teach you how to set your stop loss, where to place your stop loss to protect your profit when the trade is moving upward, and we will also teach you how to place your stop loss to protect your profit when the market is moving down or shorting. If you are interested in taking a more hands-on approach, then join us at the opening bell for trend trading. If the market is trending upward, we will find an opportunity to trade to the upside. If it is trending down, we will find an opportunity to short or trade to the downside. Once you join Stock Starters, just set your notifications, and whenever our administrators are in the chat room and giving out live trades, you will be notified. So once again, on the daily chart, we have a doji. That means a lot of indecision. So we will watch cautiously this morning when the bell opens, at opening bell, and see whether or not the move will continue to move upward, or if it's going to drop below the low of yesterday here and trying to close in the gap. Once again, join us at StockStarters.com. That's www.stock-starters.com for your trading needs.